guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to be... Oh wow, there's a dog here. Okay, sorry about that one. Okay, today we're going to be testing out dog A on kiddie toys. So, first one, come on! Okay, so the first one is coming, and I wonder what it is. Oh my! It's a doggy pooper. It's a teal though, it's pretty pretty. Oh my gosh, the giant head! Oh my gosh! Sorry about that one. Okay, so I'm just gonna bury in the bag. It's kind of like a sleeping bag. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oof, I give this. I give this one a 10 out of 10. It's beautiful. You can do it. It's just beautiful. Wow. Okay, that was amazing. Love it. Okay. Second one is this. It's like candy. It's candy. Giant hand is attacking me. Ooh! Oh dear. It's beautiful. I like it. 10 out of 10. Amazing. Next. Snowman. Oh, annoying snowman. Okay. Jump. 0 out of 10. Stupid. It's annoying. Okay, that was horrible. Next, please. Okay, good for chewing. I have a tube coming in, and that is brilliant. And I have a question for you guys. Comment down below if you think Doritos, the chips, are called Doritos or Doritos. I think they're Doritos. Okay, slide. And here's the last dog toy. Well, it's a kitty toy, I guess. I say save kitty toys for last. Okay. So it's like a mouse. It's more for swatting. I don't like it. I give it a 5 out of 10 because you can swat it, and I kind of like slapping it. Slap. Okay, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button, and we'll see you when I will see you next time. Where did that come from? And I will see you next time. Guys, bye guys. Gotta stop this video.